1/4 cup of butter, or 4 tablespoons. Lightly packed about a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1/2 cup of regular white sugar. Our apples. Sprinkle of nutmeg, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Cinnamon, I like about 2 teaspoons in here. A pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Give this a good stir. I can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Here goes the cornstarch mixture. It's certainly thickened up our sauce, and that's what we want. So be careful. Important part of the apple pie filling is testing it out before you fill your crust. If it's not good, I'm not serving it. Okay, that's a lie. I would still serve it to my brother. Oh yeah. Boom! On the channel, we're gonna go ahead and fill this pie up. We placed 1. Roll back 2 and 4. Place another. Roll them up. Roll back 1, 3, and 5. Place another. Roll them back. Roll back 2 and 4. Place another. Again, these don't have to be perfect. Let's take this crust and we're just gonna turn it up and over. Whatever my videographer wants to.
You get 3, right?